Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking into a really interesting way to heat your home called Hydronic Radiant Floor Heating. You might see it called HRFH sometimes. We've been digging into info from Pacific Blue Mechanical, and they call it the ultimate comfort solution, especially when it gets really cold out.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
So, okay, what is it, basically, like in simple terms?
Right. So imagine warm water flowing through little tubes under your floor. That's pretty much it. A boiler heats the water, it goes through the tubes, and the floor itself gets warm.
Okay, so the floor gets warm first. That's different.
Exactly. It's not like, furnaces that blow hot air around. This heat kind of radiates up from the floor.
Gently.
Radiates up. So it heats the whole room evenly. No more cold spots by your feet.
Precisely. That's one of the biggest things people love. You get this really steady, gentle warmth everywhere. It feels, well, snug. Especially nice with tile or hardwood floors. They hold that heat nicely. Okay, comfort sounds great. But let's talk about saving energy. And money, right? That's always a big one.
Definitely.
Pacific Blue Mechanical says it can use like up to 30% less energy than regular heating. Is that for real? 30% seems like a lot.
It can be, yeah. It mainly comes down to how it works. Because you're warming up the floor, the actual mass. The water doesn't need to be super, super hot.
Ah, okay. Lower temperature water.
Right. Maybe around, say, 100, 120 Fahrenheit. Forced air needs much hotter air, so the boiler doesn't have to work quite as hard, especially over a long winter. And that means, well, lower heating bills for you.
Lower bills, better comfort. Makes sense. What about the air inside? Is it cleaner, healthier?
Oh, absolutely. This is a really key benefit, I think. Think about regular furnaces. They blow air.
Yeah, through vents.
And that blows dust, pet hair, allergens, all that stuff all around your house. Constantly moving it.
Ew, yeah. I never thought about that.
But with hydronic heat, there's no air being blown. The heat just rises. Yeah. So way less dust and stuff flying around. It's a huge plus if you or someone in your family has allergies or, breathing issues. Much cleaner air.
Okay, that's a really strong point. Now, the info from Pacific Blue Mechanical really talks about Burnaby. Why is this system such a good fit for Burnaby specifically?
Well, Burnaby gets those pretty cold winters, right? Sometimes damp cold, too.
Yeah, it can be rough.
So you need good heating. But people there also care about saving energy, being efficient. This tech kind of ticks both boxes. It handles the cold really well, and it saves energy. Plus, local building codes are often pushing for these kinds of advanced, greener heating systems now.
So it meets the need for serious warmth and fits with local priorities.
Exactly. Comfort and savings. It's a good match for what Burnaby residents are looking for, according to the source.
Okay, one more thing. If you're putting this in, it feels like a big job. How long does this stuff last? Is it a good long-term investment?
Oh yeah, that's another impressive part. The tubing, the PEX stuff they use, it's really tough. And it's sealed under the floor. Not many moving parts to break down.
So, pretty reliable.
Very reliable. If you take care of it, get it checked maybe once a year, flush the system out every few years, these things can last a really, really long time. We're talking like 30, maybe even 50 years.
Wow. 30 to 50 years, that's amazing longevity.
It really is. A solid investment.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. Looking at the info from Pacific Blue Mechanical, the main takeaways seem to be you get really comfortable, even heat from your floors. You can save quite a bit on energy bills, and the air in your home stays cleaner.
That sums it up nicely.
Yeah.
You think bigger picture for a second.
Yeah.
When you choose how to heat your home, you're not just picking warmth. You're kind of choosing the air you breathe every day, right? How much dust is swirling around. So thinking about moving away from that dusty blown air, what part of that stands out most to you?